Hello everybody, my name is Grace Luxine. I am the CEO and owner of Surge Freelancing Marketplace. And in this quick virtual assistant video, I'd like to show you how you can get started with Asana. This is a project management tool. So you can just go to Google and look for Asana, and this is the correct link right here. You can go here and click on the get started in order for you to sign up. Add the email, click on sign up. And then you can verify by going into your email and getting the code. There's our code right there. So we're just going to go and add it there. Then we will just do the setup. You can add your name or your companies. Here I'm going to add the company name. You can skip those part. So you can go and use this one as a project management tool. All right. Choose one. If you're doing this for personal task, you can go and choose this one as well. Or for your portfolios, you can use this one as well. So for this example, we're just going to go ahead and choose the project management. So for example, this one will do social media content plan. Just like any project management tool, Asana also has different lists when it comes to what you need to do or boards. Okay, so when you click on list, these are the list of tasks. So for example, what are the task name that you're going to have here? So the more you're adding, okay, the more it will also have list here. Or boards. If you'd like list, the list will all be here, and you can see the team member that it was assigned or the due date, okay, and then some color codings that you have. Or if you'd like to see the layout in boards, it would be like this. So it's more like Trello as well, where you can move different boards. Or maybe you'd like to do it via a timeline layout where you can really see what's going on a daily basis, like what are the deadlines for today. Or maybe in a calendar. There are different types of layouts. For me, I'd like to use the list part. For example, I'm going to do the list layout, and then I'm going to go and click on continue. So I'm here right now. Under the social media content, probably I'm going to start with drafting. This is the task number 1. Okay, drafting graphics. Afterwards, quality check. And afterwards, posting or scheduling. I'm going to continue. And then for this one, these are under to do. You can also go ahead and change this one. Usually it's to do, doing, and then done, but you can maybe rename it according to how it fits your projects later on. So for now, we're going to follow this one. Continue. You can add people, okay, in here by adding their names or inviting their email address. So here's an example right here. You can also go ahead and click on this one. So I'm just going to continue. Okay, so I'm going to go directly there. We're already here in our dashboard, and if you can see here, there's like the home, your task. Okay, so you can go ahead and check out all of this. There are analytics in here. But for the project management, you can go here under the project that you created, and there are the list of things that you need to be doing. And then when you click on each one, okay, you can actually assign this to certain people. Add, remove people here. If they're already a part of your team, send it to them by inviting them to come in by adding their emails. So here under the team, so you can add people here. By the way, this is under a 30-day trial, okay? And if you're doing this for a client, make sure that the client invites you. When you are already here, you can just invite or remove people, okay? This is going to be assigned to Pedro, or I'm going to take Pedro out, okay? And then you list down the tasks. So create graphics. You can add here like what's the branding, okay, the font, all of the information. Okay, you can even add links here of the resources, and then you can also track on the level of priority. This is a high priority. Okay, this we're already late, so the status is: are you on track? Okay, are you off track? okay, or at risk. That means it's really late. It's going to compromise. You can even add dependencies. Okay, what are the things that you need to be adding here? Once that's done, you can move that to doing. Okay, just draft that, right? So you can move that to doing, and then maybe the person that's doing quality check will also do this one. So it's basically the same when it comes to project management tools, but this one you're able to see it as a whole, and then you're also going to see the level of priority and then the status, even when it comes to filtering it later on. Okay, so all of the incomplete tasks, and then you can even go back to your home and then maybe customize the layout again depending on how you'd like to see it. This is how you can basically manage and run through. You can add more projects in there. So maybe a project again, you can use a template as well. Maybe this time customer support, maybe drafting videos. As long as you add the tasks, you add it under to do, doing, completed, okay, and then you assign them as well, okay, here under these people right here, and then afterwards you go and also label it with the priority and status, and then you add descriptions here. I hope this is helpful.